Hello guys, today I am gonna show Kojak 1973 cast. Kojak is an American action crime drama television series starring Telly Savalas as the title character, New York City Police Department Detective Lieutenant Theodopolis Theo Kojak. Talk in the time slot of the popular Canon series, it aired on CBS from 1973 to 1978. So we will see how the cast of Kojak 1973 have changed after 50 years. So today we are talking about Kojak 1973 cast. If you think this video was very important to you and if you learned a lot of things you didn't know, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Then see you another day. Good day everyone.